Hello students, in previous lecture we done the equation of Green's theorem related to verification and the evaluation of line integral. In this lecture we covered the topic area using Green's theorem. Green's theorem is also used to find the area of a plane curve. So we proved that applying Green's theorem, we prove that the area enclosed by a plane curve is 1 by 2 integral c x dy minus y dx. Now come to the proof. Now we know that according to Green's theorem, integral c m dx plus n dy, it is equal to double integral over the region R curly n by curly x minus curly m by curly y dx dy. Let this is equation 1. Now look, if curly n by curly x minus curly m by curly y is equal to 1, means if this factor become 1, then RHS of 1 represents the area of the region. We know that area is given by double integral dx dy. So for dx dy, if curly n by curly x minus curly m by curly y it become 1, the RHS will give us the area. Now there are some field which satisfy the property curly n by curly x minus curly m by curly y equal to 1. Means we have to take the field in such a way, we have to take that field which gives curly n by curly x minus curly m by curly y equal to 1. ये एक इसकी condition होगी. The condition होगी that for the area of plane curve we take the field such that this condition will be satisfied, and some of the fields are fxy equal to 0x, y is 0 and x is 0 and y is x, or minus y 0 or minus y x. For our purpose, for this proof, we take fxy equal to minus yi plus xj, means we have taken this field minus yx. So f bar is equal to minus yi plus xj, and r is equal to xi plus yj. It is universal. R is equal to xi plus yj. So dr will be dxi plus dyj. Now integral c f dot dr. Integral c f dot dr, it is equal to integral c f. The value of f, what is f? This one is f, minus yi plus xj. So we put the value of f, dot product dr. Dr is dxi plus dyj, and when we find the dot product of these two, we get integral c x dy minus y dx, means integral c f dot dr, it is equal to integral c x dy minus y dx. Now using Green's theorem, we that integral c minus y dx plus x dy, it is equal to double integral over the region R curly n by curly x minus curly m by curly y dx dy. Let this is equation 2. Here m is minus y, coefficient of dx is m. So here m is minus y, coefficient of dy is n. So coefficient of dy is x. So here n is equal to x. Now we find curly m by curly y, curly m. This is m is minus y, so curly m by curly y is minus 1. Then curly n by curly x, n is equal to x, so curly n by curly x is equal to 1. Now curly n by curly x minus curly m by curly y, it is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 2. Means curly n by curly x minus curly m by curly y, it is equal to 2 in equation 2. Put this value in equation 2. So we get integral c minus y dx plus x dy, it is equal to double integral r 2 इंटू डी एक्स डी वाई. हमने ये वैल्यू कर ली n बाई कर ली x माइनस कर ली m बाई कर ली y इक्वल टू इक्वेशन 2 में पुट कर दी. नाउ डिवाइडिंग थ्रू आउट बाई 2, तो 1 बाई 2 इंटीग्रल c माइनस y डी एक्स प्लस x dy, इट इज़ इक्वल टू डबल इंटीग्रल 2 बाई 2 इंटू डी एक्स डी वाई. तो इस 2 से ये 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो वी गेट डबल इंटीग्रल r ओवर द रीजन r डी एक्स डी वाई, इट इज़ इक्वल टू 1 बाई 2 इंटीग्रल c x dy माइनस y dx. तो दिस रिप्रेजेंट द एरिया. डबल इंटीग्रल ओवर r dx dy रिप्रेजेंट्स एरिया ओवर अ प्लेन कर्व. तो एरिया इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई 2 इंटीग्रल c x dy माइनस y dx. एंड यही हमें प्रूव करना था. Now look at the example on the area. Find the area of an ellipse whose semi-major and semi-minor axes are of length a and b. So first we take the parametric equation for ellipse. Parametric equation for ellipse is x equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta, dx is equal to minus a sin theta d theta, dy is equal to b cos d theta, and the value of theta is from 0 to 2 pi. Value of theta is from 0 to 2 pi. Now we know that r is equal to xi plus yj. Put the value of x is a cos theta. So it is a cos theta. Put the value of y is b sin theta. So plus b sin theta j. Now find dr. It is minus a sin theta I d theta plus b cos theta d theta j. Now for area we have Green's theorem. By Green's theorem we have, for the area we have by Green's theorem, area is equal to 1 by 2 integral c x dy minus y dx. Put the value of x, x is a cos theta. Put the value of dy is b cos theta d theta. So b cos theta d theta minus y is our b sin theta. So we put the value of y, then we put the value of dx, and the limits of theta is from 0 to 2 pi. We solve this integral. Solve with this integral, we get pi a b. So area of an ellipse is pi a b. Now come to the next question for area. Find the area of a circle of radius a using Green's theorem. Now by Green's theorem we know that the area is given by 1 by 2 integral c x dy minus y dx. Let this is equation 1. Now the parametric equation for circle, we have x equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta, dx is minus a sin theta d theta, dy is a cos theta d theta, and limit of theta is from 0 to 2 pi. So using 1, a is equal to 1 by 2 integral c x dy minus y dx. It is equal to 1 by 2 limit of theta is from 0 to 2 pi. Put the value of x is a cos theta. Put the value of dy is a cos theta d theta minus y. Put the value of y is a sin theta dx. The value of dx is minus a sin theta d theta. Put the limit 0 to 2 pi. Evaluating this integral, we get the area as pi. We get the area as pi a square. So in this way we can find the area of the plane curve using Green's theorem. Thank you.